Want to take your polymer clay creations to the next level? Today I'm sharing 3 essential tips that will help you create professional looking designs with texture, jewelry findings, and seamless edges. Hey there creative people, welcome to another creative video at keepsakecrafts.net. Have you ever admired a polymer clay shape with perfectly rounded edges and wondered how they achieved it? Here's a quick trick. Use plastic wrap. Yes, plastic wrap right from your kitchen. Just lay a smooth sheet of plastic wrap over the clay before cutting with your cutter. The plastic softens the edges, creating that lovely rounded look. Just make sure the wrap is wrinkle-free or you'll transfer those wrinkles onto the clay. One drawback is that the cut may not be clean because of the plastic. To fix this, remove the wrap and then cut again to tidy up the edges. Keep in mind all cutters leave some cleanup work because they push the clay as they cut. Here are 2 succulents I made using this adorable set from Polymer. One was done without the plastic wrap and one was done with. The difference is subtle but noticeable. You can even try this on textured clay, though the texture near the edges might soften slightly where the plastic presses. If you're finding these tips helpful, there's an easy way to support this channel and get even more creative inspiration. Consider joining me on Patreon. Not only will you help me create more videos like this, but you'll also get exclusive perks like behind the scenes updates, sneak peeks at upcoming projects, and even custom color palettes for your creativity. Your support means the world to me and keeps this channel going. Check out the link in the description box or up above for more details. And let's go on to tip number 2. Polymer clay texture sheets are great for wrapping around objects like candle holders, but most texture sheets are too small for larger surfaces. For example, this 3x5 sheet that I designed doesn't even cover half, and an 8-inch texture sheet falls short on this 3-inch diameter candle holder. Well, you can patch gaps and match textures at the seams. A simpler solution is a texture roller. This roller is from Polymer, and pairing it with their clever roller handle makes it easy to apply even pressure for flawless textures. You can also find texture rollers in the baking aisle of the craft store. Plus, you can create your own texture rollers. Just wrap materials like string or lace or rubber bands around wooden dowels. Or you can add patterns in hot glue. Or you can even carve your own roller in polymer clay. You can check out my DIY texture roller video for the details. And many thanks to Trish from Polymer for sending me these tools to play with. Links to the supplies are in the description box. When making charms, earrings, or adding findings to polymer clay, simply sticking in a wire won't work. Metal pieces will pull right out after baking. To secure them, you have to embed the metal into the clay. So for hooks or loops, add an extra bend or a loop to the wire and press it into the clay. Give it a slight twist to lock it in place. Once baked, the hardened clay will grip the wire firmly. Even if you make a loop and press it in and don't twist it, it will pull right out. For post earrings or brooches, sandwich the metal between 2 layers of clay. These mechanical methods are far more secure than relying on glue, which will often fail you. Did you find these tips helpful but need more? Check out my Polymer Clay Tools playlist for loads more helpful info that will make your work better, faster, and easier. See you in the next video.